everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. Today we've got another stunner here. This is a Mulberry Brockwell and this is in cobalt blue. And the first thing that stood out to me about this bag was the colour. It's the bold blue in the soft leather, just stands out, but in the best way. It's really pretty. I'm going to talk you through the features of the bag. So as you can see, we've got a chain and leather strap here, which is removable, and I'll show you how that's done. Just pop it out like that, pop the strap out like that. It's really easy, and then I'll just pop it back in so I can show you the rest of the bag. We've got a zip top closure at the top, so I'll just open that up and show you the inside of the bag, where we've got one main compartment and a flat pocket there. Okay, so the condition we've actually called very good all around, and I'll tell you why now. So the exterior is actually in fantastic condition. The only thing to point out would be at the back here there is a couple of little scratches, and I don't actually know whether you can even see that on the camera. That's how small they are. But yeah, just a couple of scratches there. That's why we couldn't call it excellent. But the bag still looks amazing. The hardware, again, I don't know whether you'll be able to see because they're that small, but there is a couple of little scratches on the front there, but nothing too noticeable at all. So that's why we have called the hardware very good. The interior, I'll show you, again, is still looking great. There is a little bit of wear on the suede just there, where you can see it's a slightly different colour to the rest of it, and that's just where the pocket is. But yeah, no marks or anything else to point out about that. So that's the condition. I'm going to show you what the bag comes with, because we also have a Mulberry dust bag here. So that is what the bag comes with. Right. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. If I just move back a little bit, if I pop it over. You can wear this bag over your shoulder, or you can wear it as a crossbody. I think this bag looks great with a neutral outfit, because if you're looking for a pop of colour with your outfit, then it's just perfect, really. So if you would like to shop this bag, go to the link in the description and it'll take you straight to this bag on our website. If it doesn't and it takes you to our general products page, unfortunately that means the bag is sold. But in that case, you need to go to our request an item page on our website and fill in the little form, and as soon as we get in a bag like this, or whichever bag you have requested, then you will be notified whenever we get one in. Also, while you're on the website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter if you haven't already, and you will get your welcome discount. Also join Armcandy Rewards, where you earn candies and you can exchange them for more discounts. And lastly, if you have any gorgeous bags like this one that you'd like to sell with us, head to our sell with us page on our website, and all the rest of the details that you need to know will be on there. And we'll see you soon with some more Armcandy. Bye!